What if I told you that the ground beneath your daily train ride could one day power your home? Switzerland has just done something that feels like science fiction. They've turned ordinary railway tracks into working solar power plants. Not solar farms, not solar roofs, solar railways. And now the world is asking, could this change everything? In the race toward renewable energy, countries around the world are battling rising emissions, fossil fuel dependency, and limited land for solar expansion. But in the heart of Europe, one small country may have found a scalable solution, hidden in plain sight. Switzerland's new innovation isn't just a step forward, it's a whole new track. A startup called Sunways, in partnership with the Swiss Federal Railways, is installing removable solar panels directly between railway tracks. Unlike traditional solar panels that sit on rooftops or empty fields, these are designed to fit snugly between train rails, making use of an area that's almost never used for anything else. Installation is futuristic. A special train lays out panels like a rolling carpet, covering kilometers of track in just a few hours. These solar modules can even be detached and reinstalled during maintenance or snowfall. No digging, no damage, no downtime. So how much energy can these railway panels actually produce? Sunways estimates that if just 1/3 of Switzerland's railway system adopted this model, it could generate up to 1 terawatt-hour of electricity per year. To put that in perspective, that's enough to power 750,000 homes every year with zero emissions. Now imagine this applied globally. If countries like the United States, United Kingdom, or Australia began integrating this tech, the potential would be massive. Engineers have also proposed robotic cleaners that would travel the tracks to keep panels efficient and clear, just like a Roomba, but for solar power. This system isn't just clever, it's modular and smart. It's being built with AI-powered sensors to monitor energy output and detect faults in real time. And because the panels are aligned with rail direction, they get maximum sunlight throughout the day. Perfect for regions with long, straight rail networks like those in the American Midwest or Australian Outback. Of course, it's not without challenges. Critics raise concerns about snow coverage in winter, train vibrations damaging panel structure, or dust buildup reducing efficiency. But here's the thing. Switzerland isn't ignoring these problems. They're engineering around them. New materials, modular designs, and seasonal detachability make the concept both flexible and repairable. It's not a perfect system yet, but it's a bold prototype that's working. Think about the future. A world where every train ride also generates clean electricity, where infrastructure pulls double duty, moving people while powering cities, where we don't need more land, more wires, or more emissions to grow. Switzerland has laid the first track. The rest of the world is watching. Will the US, UK, or Australia be bold enough to follow? If you believe in bold ideas that reshape our world, hit that like button. Want to see more game-changing innovations? Subscribe and turn on notifications. And let us know in the comments, should your country adopt solar train tracks?